Kyle from Better Display Cases, and today we're doing an unboxing video showing you how one of our boxes will be arriving to you, how it's packed, and why it's packed that way. Alright, so today we will be unboxing our football display case. It will be a mirror, turf base, red risers with wall mount. So when you open this up, the first thing you will see is this. This is what it will look like. You will have styrofoam corners on the top. This is to protect the case from any damage that might incur in shipping. This will reduce all the damage. So let's pull those out. Since it is a wall mount, you will notice that there are screws here marked with an arrow for easier to find them. Also included will be instructions, business card, coupon, and polishing cloth. These come with all of our orders. Going further, once we remove from the inner box, we will find our additional Novus cleaning kit. What you will also notice first is that the case is upside down. That's normal. It's done so that way it's easier for shipping and safer during shipping, and also easier for you to remove from the box itself. The case is lightweight, so all safety precautions need to be taken. The base here are turf base with red risers, has rubber feet on the bottom. This is to protect your table or whatever surface you put this on from the screws here on the bottom, scratching it up. The turf is also unique to Better Display Cases. No one else on the market will offer you a turf base. You'll notice that the risers and nuts, they're metal, they are not plastic. This gives them a more vibrant color to them. We have 11 different riser colors, so you have options in case you don't like red. Now, let's get into the display case itself. It has now been removed from the inner box. It's wrapped in bubble wrap for its protection. The front of the display case has a rolled over edge. It creates a smooth, polished edge look to it. What you'll notice is that the acrylic is crystal clear. Opposite to glass, glass will create a greenish tint to it. You don't want that. You want clear. That's why I go with acrylic. Next, underneath the inner box, so remove that, you're going to find the wall mount. The wall mount will always be stored underneath the inner box. This helps protect the box and protects the wall mount, keeps everything tighter and more secure. We have a video for assembling your wall mount, so please check that out. We also have a video for hanging your wall mount. Be sure to check that out as well. So now that you've got everything unboxed, let's assemble the case. It's really simple, just a few steps. First, you place your base down. Second, you put your football in. And finally, place the case on top. Just that easy. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it very informative. Be sure to like and comment on this video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Also be sure to follow our social media channels, Better Display Cases across the board. Please visit our website, betterdisplaycases.com. The link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching.